You should invest in your body. You should invest in your looks. Why? Because pretty privilege is a real thing. Totoo na pag you look good, mas ahead of the game ka. Mas pabor ang realidad sa'yo. Mas maraming opportunities. Mas nire-respeto ka. And more importantly, you feel really good about yourself. And when you feel good about yourself, you feel good about a lot of things because everything starts from within. So if you want to transform your 2026, join this transformative weekend camping retreat happening here every Saturdays to Sundays, 5 p.m. to 12 noon dito sa Connect the Ground. And yeah, be part of a community who wishes to thrive, empower themselves, and be the best version of themselves. This is E. Have a great day ahead. Namaste. Hiraya Manawari.